So come one, come all to the crumbling walls of our city, now painted with red. As the stench of defeat emanates through the streets, is the life we once dreamed of now dead. But we won't break, we will fight, we will storm through the night, enslaved to their king nevermore. With the locks on our cage broken off by the rage, now it's time to settle the score. We are the flayed, we are the torn, we are the beaten and the scorned. And now you force the beast to bare its teeth. We'll come in droves like animals, hungry to reclaim our control. As we fight to fight the bitter and fight. We are the free! We are the free! We are the free! Beyond the barricade! Look at you hear us now! Don't you touch your souls when they burn this place to the ground! Are you let us through the slaughterhouse? We will send your judgment down! Your pain and blood is your retribution! So let's gather at the gallows for the execution! We are the flayed, we are the torn, we are the beaten and the scorned. And now you force the beast to bare its teeth. We will come in droves like animals, hungry to reclaim our control. As we fight to bite the bitter hand that feeds. We are afraid! Red upon a master plan! Just hold your rifles down! And wait for my command! That's where I break your blood! What is you expect? We're fucking out your mouth! The good is to find a satisfying solution. Another power-hungry by his fucking institution. We took the void. We took the gates. One of a kind of drunken paradox and we create. We took the void. We started again. We became the very thing that we hate. We are the flayed. We are the torn. We are the beaten and the scorned. And now you force the beast to bare its teeth. We will come in droves like animals, hungry to reclaim our control. As we fight to bite the bitter hand that feeds. We are the afraid. We are the afraid. We are the afraid. We are the afraid. Where is the end? What have we done? We're what we swore we'd not become. Despite intent, a noble heart still bleeds. Time goes on and history